Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will show you how to log out of YouTube account on mobile. First, open your YouTube app and then tap on your profile icon on the top right corner. There, if you scroll through, you will notice there is no option to log out. So tap on Manage your Google account, and after that, tap on the arrow beside your Gmail. From here, tap on Manage Accounts on this device. And after that, you need to tap on Google. From here, select the account that you want to remove. From here, tap on the three dots on the top right. And after that, select Remove Account. Now tap on Remove Account in order to confirm. And as you can see, the account has been removed. Now go back and open your YouTube app. Once you're in YouTube, you will notice that your account has been logged out and your other account has been logged back in. Now, if you want to log out from all the accounts altogether, then go back and open your settings. From here, scroll down to Apps. And after that, tap on App Management. From here, search and go to YouTube. And then tap on YouTube. Now, tap on Force Stop. And after that, you need to go to Storage Usage. From here, tap on Clear Cache and Clear Data. And after that, you need to tap on OK to confirm. So just tap on OK. And then if you open your YouTube app, you will notice that there is no account logged in. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.